It is the national language of Pakistan and one of the 22 official recognized language of Indian Constitution. It has its official status in 6 states of Jammu Kashmir, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. And it is also a regional language of Nepal. Urdu is the 21st most spoken language in the world with approximately 66 million speakers. Urdu, like Hindi, is a form of Hindustani language. It have their etymological roots in Sanskrit and Prakrit. And approximately 99% of Urdu verbs have their root in Sanskrit. Urdu has become a literary language only in recent centuries, as Persian was formerly the item of the choice for Muslim courts of North India. Thank you.